Do you dread your weekly summertime ritual of pushing a noisy lawn mower back and forth across your front and backyards? If a little voice in your head whispered, yes, you should consider handing off your grass-cutting chores to a lawn care robot. Robot lawn mowers are an increasingly popular luxury lawn care tool for homeowners who don't want to put in the work to maintain a perfect yard, but also don't want to spend a ton of money on landscapers. These high-tech yard machines keep your grass neatly trimmed so you can kick back and relax with a glass of iced tea instead. Like a robot vacuum, you can program their schedules with a smartphone app, so you don't even need to be home. Number 1. Husqvarna Automower 415X Robot Lawn Mower. As the creator of the first robot lawn mower, Swedish manufacturer Husqvarna has more experience designing them than anybody else. The Automower 415X stands out as an attractive, versatile option for small and mid-size yards. It's easy to install, and you can control it through an intuitive smartphone app, or with your voice using Amazon Alexa. The Automower 415X mows close to 700 square feet per hour. It has 3 pivoting razor blades which flip back into the chassis if they hit something to prevent bent blades. Though a flat yard is always better for a robot mower, the 415X can handle up to a 40% incline. That said, its approximate hour-long battery runtime means that it will need to charge often, especially on larger properties. Rather than roaming in a random pattern, as most auto mowers do, the Automower 415X mows in a stripe or checkerboard pattern, which will make your lawn look like professional landscapers have cared for it. Number 2. Gardena Sileno Minimo Robot Lawn Mower. If your yard is tiny and you have an equally small budget for robotic mowing, the Gardena Sileno Minimo is a small robot lawn mower that's effective, so long as you limit it to a small space. The 13.4-pound robot features a single cutting disc with 3 pivoting blades that can cut 2,700 square feet of grass with its hour-long battery. It can climb shallow slopes, up to 14 degrees, 25% incline. That's modest compared to our top pick, but still effective for a smaller yard. The Sileno Minimo's frost detection sensor means you can trust it to mow when the conditions are right, though you may not even notice when it's out cutting the grass. At just 57 decibels, this little mower runs quietly enough to mow at night or during your neighbor's barbecue without anyone raising an eyebrow. Number 3. Sunseeker L22 Plus Robot Lawn Mower. The Sunseeker L22 relies on ultrasonic technology and bumper sensors to weave around trees and avoid landscaping beds or other obstacles that might interrupt a rectangular mowing path. It even allows you to fine-tune how close it gets to obstacles as it works its way around them, so you can give delicate landscaping features a wide berth. If it does bump into something, it also has a safety mechanism that will halt the mower in its tracks. To achieve that level of precision, the Sunseeker L22 comes with a perimeter sensor, so the installation takes some doing. Once up and mowing, though, the Sunseeker has a broad 8.7-inch cutting width, and runs for up to 2 hours, making it suitable for yards of just over half an acre. With the Sunseeker app, you can program mowing schedules. Plus, it supports multi-zone mowing, so you can schedule it to mow different parts of your lawn on different times and days. Number 4. Memotion Luba 2 AWD 1000 Robot Lawn Mower. Steep inclines are no match for Memotion Luba 2 AWD 1000. As the name suggests, it features all-wheel drive, as well as knobby anti-slip tires that allow you to climb up hills you'd have difficulty walking up without getting on all fours. And since it doesn't require perimeter wire, you won't have to worry about running wire down any slopes to set boundaries. The Luba 2 also has excellent obstacle avoidance thanks to a set of 3 detection systems: bumper sensors, sonar, and binocular vision. It's also a great choice for large lawns, since you can schedule it to mow different parts of your property on different days or times. It's even compatible with Amazon Alexa, so you can boss it around as it works from your lawn chair. We've highlighted the Luba 2 1000, the smallest model in the line, because robot lawn mowers are expensive and picking a smaller model will keep the price down. With the capacity to cover up to 0.25 acres on a single charge, it's ideal for front yards and relatively small properties. Number 5. Segway Navimo i105N Robot Lawn Mower. We like the Segway Navimo i105N because it's one of the smallest, most affordable mowers from a known brand. Its capacity is limited with a small, 7.1-inch cutting deck and 1-hour run time. It can only cut about 1/8 of an acre on a single charge. That's far less than most of our picks. On the other hand, You can program it to mow up to 12 zones at different times and grass lengths, so it can tackle smaller chunks of lawn throughout the week rather than doing it all at once. Both the Navimo i105N and its big brother, the i110N, feature a built-in GPS system that allows it to navigate your lawn, so there's no need to install a perimeter wire. It also has built-in sensors to guide it around obstacles like trees, gardens, shrubs, and even people that may be in its path. The nimble Navimo's accurate navigation and small size allow it to weave around objects in tight spaces, making it the ideal robot mower for managing smaller yards.